Hey guys, today I'm out here at the favorite picture spot and I wanted to show you the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. It's a JL, I guess you could call it the JLU Unlimited. So yeah, this is a 2018 and looks like the previous owner did some pretty tasteful modifications on it. They put some decent raceline wheels and Mickey Thompson tires on there. These are roughly 33, but they're actually looks like a 285 70 R17, but I did look it up and that equates to about a 33, so that's kind of a score. And then they put some sort of aftermarket bumper on here. I don't know what brand it is, but it looks like it is ready for a winch and some additional lights on there, and it's got the D-rings, so that's good. And then really the other noticeable thing is the lighting up on top. Looks like these are made by Nilight. It does have the full-size spare with the same brand of tire and rim, so that's good. So anyway, I just got this thing, so the journey begins, and I am going to be making some modifications of my own. Just show you the inside real quick. So they did put some grab handles on there, and looks like that's about it for the modifications. They do have the control for the lighting there, and that's about it. And just one little other surprise, one of the first things I'm going to do is install this Badland winch on there. Scored a really good deal on this today at Harbor Freight. Yes, it is a Harbor Freight winch. So I will do another video of that installation. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and like, subscribe, and look for my other videos on the upcoming modifications on this Jeep.